17 persons were shot yesterday in Westmoreland as gang violence continues to wreak havoc in Grange Hill in the parish.
7 have been confirmed dead.
The police have since increased their presence in the area.
TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
A voice note with the sound of explosions ringing out in Grange Hill on Tuesday. Residents were sent running for cover as rival gangs traded bullets. The first attack, a drive-by shooting, occurred shortly after 8 in the morning. 24-year-old O'Dane Drummond of Godfrey Street, Westmoreland was killed while 3 other persons were shot and injured. This was the springboard for 3 reprisal attacks between yesterday evening and last night. Shortly after 6 in the evening, an unidentified man was shot and killed while 4 others were injured in Top Lincoln. Gunmen from that community then returned to Sterling, where the lives of 2 children were cut short. Reports indicate that the police found the bodies of Sheldon Morgan and his 2-year-old son Sheldon Morgan Jr. with gunshot wounds when they responded to reports of explosions on Godfrey Street just before 9 o'clock. Morgan's motorcar was also set on fire. Gunmen then went to the home of 39-year-old Nadine Rowe and her 10-year-old son Nicoy Bourne. They were also killed. Her brother recalls the harrowing experience.
We heard some explosion about 2 yards away, and the next 5 minutes on my mother's house I heard some knocking, police, and I learned from my mother that my sister came forward and said that I'm not sure if it was a police, so I won't open the door. And right about there they start to kick the door and some loud explosion followed. Later after I learned that my sister succumbed to some gunshot wound and also her son.
The 7th body was found as police combed an area in Fullersfield where 3 houses were firebombed. An occupant of the yard spoke with our news team.
Peer gunshot all over. All when the fire blazing, gunshot. We are afraid of coming out because we cannot come out in gunshot. You know, we open our back door when we realize we hear gunshot down the bottom. That is when them shooting up the guy down there when he running for his life. We come at the front because we want to help. And what we see happen, none of us couldn't go there because the whole place in flames.
The shootings in the area also impacted schools. The police have since stepped up patrols in the area. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
In the meantime, the management of the Savannah Lamar Hospital says the institution has been overwhelmed with gunshot cases.
In the morning, we had 5 people coming in. 1 died in the department, 1 was brought in pronounced. But then by the time we had finished dealing with the casualties, the patients from in the morning, we got another call that 5 more persons were coming in. And at the same time when those persons were coming in, 4 bodies were brought in to be pronounced. So it was just an endless stream all day. But the one that really took a toll on everybody was the 2-year-old who got shot and was in the department. The look of devastation on the faces of the staff and patients was really telling to how it had affected them.